So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to sell Ethereum on the MetaMask application. So once MetaMask is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom left and press home. Then where it says buy, swap, send, receive, right where underneath where it says add funds, press on buy. Then at the bottom, press on sell. Now once you're here, you want to make sure that Ethereum is selected. So for me, it actually is right here, but you can go ahead and search up whatever you're looking for. I'll just select Ethereum in this case. Now what's going to do is show you how much Ethereum you have and how much dollars that'll be equal to. So I don't have any in this case, but it'll show you the amount below. And you can also select the way you want to send Ethereum to. So if you want to turn it into cash or credit or a bank transfer, you can select that. Go to the bottom, press on get quotes to proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to sell Ethereum on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.